Welcome to Future Forward, where we explore groundbreaking science transforming our world. Today, we're diving into a truly remarkable field: neuromodulation. Imagine a future where debilitating conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and Huntington's disease, which often lack effective treatments, could be managed or even have their progression slowed. This isn't science fiction. It's the promise of neuromodulation. These neurodegenerative disorders cast a long shadow. But what if we could directly tune the brain, targeting the very circuits affected? That's precisely what neuromodulation aims to do, offering new hope by modulating neural activity in specific brain regions. A major focus is on non-invasive techniques, or NIBs, loved for their safety. One of the most investigated is rTMS, repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation. It uses magnetic fields to gently influence brain activity. For Alzheimer's, it's showing promise in boosting cognitive functions like memory. Parkinson's patients might see motor improvements. It's already approved for conditions like resistant depression. Then there's transcranial electrical stimulation, or TES. This category includes TDCS, using weak electrical currents passed through the scalp to enhance cognition or ease Parkinson's symptoms. A nodal TDCS over the cerebellum has even shown promise for Huntington's disease. Another type, TACS, uses oscillating currents to modulate brain rhythms. A newer star is TTIS, transcranial temporal interference electrical stimulation. This technique is exciting because it can target deeper brain structures, like the hippocampus, crucial for memory, non-invasively. And what about sound waves? Transcranial focused ultrasound, or tFUS, also known as LiFU, uses ultrasound with incredible precision. It can also reach deep brain areas non-invasively and is being investigated for Alzheimer's, potentially clearing harmful protein buildups, and for Parkinson's motor symptoms. Plus, it might help deliver drugs right where they're needed by temporarily opening the blood-brain barrier. We also have photobiomodulation, PBM for short, using light to stimulate cells. Sensory stimulation uses visual or auditory cues, often at specific frequencies like 40 Hz, to encourage healthy brain rhythms, showing promise for Alzheimer's. And transcutaneous vagus nerve stimulation, or TVNS, activates a key nerve through the skin to influence brain circuits, being explored for Parkinson's. Sometimes, a more direct approach is needed. Deep brain stimulation, or DBS, is a well-established game-changer for Parkinson's, involving surgically implanted electrodes to regulate brain activity and control motor symptoms. DBS technology is advancing rapidly, with imaging-guided planning, leads that can sense brain activity for adaptive stimulation, and directional leads for more precise treatment. It's also being explored for Alzheimer's. The future here is personal. We're moving towards treatments tailored to each individual patient, their specific symptoms, disease progression, and even their brain imaging data. While we're seeing fantastic results, scientists are still working to fully understand exactly how these techniques exert their therapeutic effects. And of course, larger, robust clinical trials are crucial to confirm these promising early findings and establish long-term efficacy and safety. Imagine combining these neuromodulation methods with other therapies, like pharmacological treatments or gene therapy. The potential for synergy is immense. For instance, implantable systems are being developed to deliver drugs like siRNA directly to the brain for conditions like Huntington's. Neuromodulation isn't just a buzzword. It's a rapidly advancing frontier, bringing tangible hope. While there's more research and development ahead, the path towards significantly improving the lives of individuals affected by these challenging neurodegenerative disorders looks brighter than ever, thanks to these innovative approaches. Thanks for tuning in to Future Forward.